explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 30 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension passages, right? So what is comprehension passages? Let me tell you first of all. So, comprehension is basically a paragraph which is a story or the part of a story, right? जिसे हमें रीड करना होता है वेरी केयरफुली एंड वेरी थॉरली, और उसके बाद उस पैराग्राफ के कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिनके आंसर्स उस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में ही छुपे होते हैं, राइट? So we have to first of all read the paragraph and then answer the questions that are given below, right? So here we have some examples. Let's just read this very carefully and improve our reading skills also. So they say, read the following passages carefully and answer the questions that follow. तो जल्दी से यहाँ पर जो पैसेज हमें दिया गया है उसको पढ़ते हैं और जो आंसर यहाँ हमें दिए गए हैं उन्हें जो क्वेश्चंस हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं उन्हें आंसर करते हैं. So it is Lakshmi Bai was a famous queen of Jhansi. She was called Manu by her parents. She was a brave woman. She used to play with swords, bows, and arrows when she was young. She would ride a horse every day. She married the king to Girdhar Rao of Jhansi. After the death of Gangadhar Rao, Lakshmi Bai became the queen of Jhansi. She was called Queen Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. The queen had no son, so she adopted a son. But her adopted son was denied his rights by the British rulers. A fierce battle ensued. She fought bravely and sacrificed her life in the battlefield. She was a courageous, bold, and patriotic queen indeed. Right? So this was the paragraph. अब जल्दी से questions पढ़ते हैं, right? So that we can get to know the answers. So the first question is, who was Lakshmi Bai and what was she called? तो ये हमने पैराग्राफ के पहले ही लाइन में पढ़ा था. Lakshmi Bai was a famous queen of Jhansi and she was called Manu by her parents. Right? Next. What were her toys when she was young? तो जब वो छोटी थी तो वो किस तरीके के टॉयज से खेलती थी? Obviously, we all read in the paragraph that she used to play with swords, bows, and arrows when she was. So, the next question is, what were her toys when she was young? So, as we all read in the paragraph only, that she used to play with swords, bows, and arrows when she was young. Right? Next question is, what qualities did she have? Like what were the qualities that she was having? Right? So the qualities that she was having was that she was very brave, right? So these are the qualities. She was courageous, bold, and patriotic queen indeed, right? So ये रानी लक्ष्मी बाई की क्वालिटीज हैं जो कि हमें इस पैराग्राफ में बताई गई थी. नेक्स्ट, टू whom was she married? यानी कि उनकी शादी किससे हुई थी? That means she was married to King Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi, right? Next, why did she adopt a son, right? तो उन्होंने एक बेटा क्यों अडॉप्ट किया था? So it is also mentioned over here that the queen had no son, so she adopted a son. क्योंकि उनका खुद का कोई बेटा नहीं था, इसीलिए उन्होंने एक बेटा अडॉप्ट किया था, right? So you saw that all the answers of these given questions were actually they were hidden in the paragraph only, right? So as we all move ahead, we can see that there are many other paragraphs जो कि हमें दिए गए हैं, right? And we all can practice them, we all can read them so that we can improve our reading skills and answer the questions very easily, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. That was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.